So Wellness Circle is a 16-bed crisis stabilization program that serves the region. And we serve people that are in psychiatric crisis. We also take individuals that are coming out of the hospital that need further stabilization. We provide medical detoxification services, and we also can take individuals who are under a temporary detention order. So in our program, we provide 6 groups per day. That is inclusive of psychoeducation groups and relaxation groups, recreation groups, and a co-occurring group. We also provide adjunctive services such as pet therapy, we have a gardening group, and we provide yoga. In addition, we have a sensory room, so we have the ability to provide coping skills, to learn sensory and mindfulness skills.
I enjoy just helping people throughout their journey, helping them to recover, get better, stabilize, and go back out into the community.
Wellness Circle is a safe place. The staff are kind and understanding. They help people process what may have led them to be in crisis, as well as develop plans and equip them with coping mechanisms that they can use in the future in case they are faced with crisis again. But most importantly, Wellness Circle is a place of hope. It is a place of healing. The staff are kind, they care, and they genuinely want to see people succeed. They have helped me many times in the past, and I hope that they continue to help people for many years here to come.
Individuals that are served here are 18 years old. They need to be in some sort of psychiatric crisis. They need to be from the region, and they need to be a voluntary person.
So when I think of the word inspiring, and I think of some of the clients we've had the privilege to serve here at Wellness Circle, one individual comes in mind who left us a few months ago, who had been really struggling with depression and anxiety, and actually left us with a poem that she created for our team. And the first line was something like, you know, why do I come to Wellness Circle Crisis Care? Well, it's because they really care. And it was just really touching and sweet, and just kind of reiterates our purpose here.
People get better. So I think that there's just a ton of hope, and it just comes through in how the staff work with people and how the program is run. And it is phenomenal to see change in the short amount of time that people are here.